Okay, so let's talk about a Shiba Inu price prediction. If you are a Shiba Inu coin holder, this is the video for you. You're going to make this really very straightforward and very quick and very to the point. So right now we've got Shiba Inu down about 7%. You can see it right there. In the last 7 days, we're up 68 plus percent. Let's take a look at the chart over on TradingView. You can see right here, we've got a buy alert and a sell alert, but right here, you can see kind of, this is a much better, graphical presentation, if you will, of what's going on with SHIB. On a side note, by the way, this is my trading indicator right there that gave a buy alert and then a sell alert. That's a in 4 days, a 200% move up. $1,000 of Shiba Inu bought on that alert that you see down in the lower left corner of the video would have netted you a profit of $2,016. There's links in the description below if you want to try it out. And I'll talk more about this here in a little bit if you want to learn more. I'll show you how about you could have used it with Pepe to make an 805% return. Dogecoin, there's 118 plus percent. So we'll talk more about that here in a little bit. Okay. So from a Shiba Inu price prediction standpoint, I need to set the stage for you and kind of tell you where we're at. Okay. So right now, crypto is really up 0.56. You can see that. We got Bitcoin. By the way, Bitcoin hit its all-time high, actually surpassed its latest all-time high today, hitting now 70,000. So there's a video there. I'll be doing that here in a little bit. So you'll see that one if you're interested. But moving on. Okay. So what I want to share with you is you can see right here, Shiba Inu is in the number 10 spot and with a market capitalization right here with 20 billion. 494 million right here, that number. Okay, so that's the number we need to focus on. Okay, because in talking about a Shiba Inu price prediction, I want to talk about where we've been. Okay, back when we hit our all-time high for Shiba Inu, which was at the end of October 2021. By the way, in the month of October 2021, we went up 1,004% in that month alone. It was absolutely insane in a great way. We hit a market capitalization of this number right here was a little bit shy of 42 billion. That's with a B, of $42 billion. So that was our market capitalization at our all-time high. And our all-time high was 408, okay, and change. And so for my Shiba Inu price prediction in this video, that's really my price prediction. I firmly believe that we will get back to our $42 billion market capitalization. Now, the question you're asking is when? Well, let's talk about that, okay? Because as it's playing out, everything's ahead of schedule, right? I didn't think that Bitcoin would hit its all-time high and lift the entire crypto market until we were a little bit closer to the Bitcoin halving event, which was coming up, which was April 15th to 18th. Okay, so we're about a month, almost 5 weeks ahead of schedule here. All right. I didn't expect Shiba Inu to run as hard as it did. What happened there? Well, we had a lot of institutional money that flowed into Bitcoin, a lot or a lot of wealth was created in Bitcoin rising, and people are now moving some money out of Bitcoin and things of that nature, moving it into, the meme coins like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe, so forth. So the entire meme coin market in the last 10 days just had it was an astounding, move up, right? We saw Pepe right here go up 805% in the last 26 days. Okay. So also inside of that, and that's the point, in Shiba Inu going up that much as well, actually at 200% in only 4 days, is people flowing back in, retail money flowing back into the meme coins, because a lot of people don't buy Bitcoin. I've said this in videos. Okay. And so kind of back to the price prediction. So what we're going to see is Shiba Inu is not going to do this in a vacuum. It's not going to do it, besides everything else rising. Bitcoin has continued to do well. It will continue to do well. It's lifting the entire crypto market. By the way, Bitcoin is 51% of the entire market. They're highlighted at the top of the screen. You see it. Bitcoin is 51% of the market. So as Bitcoin goes up and up and up, as we get closer to the halving, I expect its market capitalization to go up. Obviously, it's 1,346 billion, right? Okay, so Shiba Inu's market capitalization will rise along with that. So again, I don't think it's really that far of a leap to get us back to our close or hit our all-time high by the halving event, because you've also got FOMO, fear of missing out. You've got what we just saw in the last 11, 12 plus days, where You saw a tremendous amount of money and capital. I mean, in the case of Shiba Inu's, $15 billion of capital flow into SHIB, right? You saw that. And it was like that. It happened literally, again, per this chart, it happened in 4 days. Okay. So I think we'll get back to our all-time high, my guesstimate, if you will. And again, that's what it is, right? I mean, I'm kind of taking all these factors and I'm looking at it going, okay, what can happen here is that we will hit that and be close to that by the halving event, because I think we'll be at peak FOMO, we'll be at peak everything. People will be just flooding into crypto, and they will flood a lot of them into the meme coins like SHIB, etc. Okay. So back to what I was talking about earlier on my software, if you're interested. So you can get it in the links in the description below. This is a buy alert. Let me show you this right here. So this is a buy alert. That's a sell alert in the red, and that's another buy alert. So, okay. So, and what you can do is you can set them up where they're sent to your mobile device, and you just get an alert. Buy, momentum up on Shiba Inu. Basically that equals go buy it. Momentum down, go sell it, right? Now, this is if you're doing swing trading or you're looking at kind of short-term profits. I have a long-term bag of Shiba Inu that I own and I'm holding, and I'm going to continue to hold it. So that's obviously SHIB. Now, like right here, this is Pepe. Isn't that insane? Look, buy alert on Pepe 26 days ago in this blue box. You see it right here in that blue box. And buy alert, and we don't have a sell alert for Pepe, 805%. To give you some perspective, if you would have bought $2,000 worth of Pepe on this buy alert, you would now have made a profit of over $16,000. Yep, and that's what the software did. It signaled it was time to buy. There's not been a sell alert, so the conditions have not changed per my software. All the analytics that it looks at to say, hey, it's time to sell. Pepe. Okay, so. Same thing for Dogecoin here. Approximately 49 days ago, you can see that there was a buy alert issued, 118+% up, $1,000 bought. You'd have a profit of $1,185. Links in the description below if you want to check it out. My software is right here. It's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. There's a discount code down there as well. The quarterly option is the best option if you're looking for the best price. And, oh, by the way, you got that 30-day money back guarantee. The software costs you about $1 a day is what it costs you. So are you going to begrudge me $1 if you can maybe get alerts and pick up on, notifications for this? 805 for Pepe, Dogecoin, 118%, SHIB, 203%. Here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin right here, in 8 days, last 31% up. And by the way, we're under, as you can see, for Dogecoin, for Bitcoin, excuse me, we're under a buy alert. Okay, so it issued a buy alert, and since that buy alert, which was right there, we're up about 4% in the last 3 days. Okay, so, and that, of course, it issued the buy alert after the sell alert. So you get my point. Like, here's a buy, right? Sell, lock in the profits, make that 31% profit, and then wait for it to issue a sell. Another buy alert, which it did, and then you buy back in. There you go. All right. So thank you for your time. I'll see you. Have a good one.